Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I try to upload on a Wednesday and a Sunday. That doesn't always get achieved, but you know, that's the aim we're going for here. So stick the little bell on and then you'll know, won't ya? Today, well, I was gonna say today's my dad's birthday, but it's not. It was actually like 5 days ago. He just makes his birthday last that long because he's annoying. So we just opened some presents. He got a signed cricket bat by like the England and Pakistani teams, which is quite sick. He likes cricket. And we're going to go out for breakfast. So I thought I'd bring you along with me. It's the Super Bowl tonight. My family will watch that. It's the... where are they from? San Francisco 49ers and the Kansas Chiefs. I don't think many people in England really watch it because it's like midnight because it's in America, isn't it? Obviously. So, yeah. I'm just going to do my makeup and I'm using this L'Oreal True Match foundation. Hardly ever wear foundation anymore. I kind of wear it more as a sort of, not as a concealer, but where you'd put concealer, you know? And I'm really spotty. And you know, I'm kind of feeling it today. I'm just going to pop that on with a little beauty blender. I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer. I'm going to use this one, this Lottie London one. Cute! There we go. Do a little bit of a contour. Save the double chin, you know how it is, ladies. I have such a double chin at the moment. I really need to go back to the gym. It's not okay. I was so like, I felt so good when I went to the gym. Fit-wise and like mentally-wise, you know what I mean? Like I felt really good mentally. So it just like calmed me down, made me feel like okay. Then I'm going to use this Glow Milk as a little highlighter. I've never really used this before. So, you know, we're going to do 3 dots there, 3 dots there. That's probably a bit much for Sunday brunch. I'm going to go in with this oval angled brush and just kind of, I might just use my finger really, but I don't know how I feel about that, not going to lie. See what I mean? It's just a bit greasy looking, isn't it? I'm not a massive fan of highlight anymore. I think I've overused it. Now I'm not such a big fan. I'm gonna put my eyebrows on. I've got my bloody thing still. My ridiculous spot. Why did I think last night at 1 AM it was a good time to squeeze blackheads? You should just never ever do it. That's a little bit better. But it's just really obvious, you know, that's just not the look I'm going for. I'm not going for the obvious makeup look, you know? That doesn't really make sense, does it? I don't want you to see that I've got foundation on. Which probably like, that's a stupid thing to want, but let a sister live. And then I'm going to put my eyelash curlers in between my legs to like warm up. I'm so weird. But it's just a cute thing that I do because I'm so cool. Go for a little brown this morning. Really not the morning, I don't think. Actually, it is the morning still. But my family are not really early risers. So I'm using a mix between these two. I don't know what they're called though. Shall we read? I don't think they have names. Yeah, I don't think they have names. That's really sad. I love eyeshadow names. I'd love to come up with them. That'd be a sick job. Also, I need a new job, guys. I'm literally in love with my job. But we shut for the season. And then we open again in April. So I've got one more shift next week and that's it. I'm really sad. There we go. I never used to really think eyelash colours was worth it, but I think they actually really are. The difference they make is well surprising. I can hear Missy outside my door, like, jingling her bell trying to get in. Not today, Satan. My family literally thinks she's gonna, like, die of depression while I'm at uni. Because, I mean, she got upset when I wasn't here for, like, a week, so... That's the look I'm going for today. Let's get dressed. Voila. I never understand how putting wet stuff on your face makes it dry. Oh, see, he's back out again. Can't get rid of him. Okay. Okay, I'm all dressed and ready. Hopefully you recognise this puffer coat from my new look haul. If not, then go and watch that. It's one of my favourite videos to film, actually. I love a good haul. Now I'm just going to spritz with the Marc Jacobs Daisy. I'm such a all over the body perfume kind of gal. I thought I'd show you my outfit quick. As always, sorry about my dusty mirror and my shaky hand. You can't really see. Come on, light. No. I've got my big green puffer jacket on that you really can't see. Just a classic white cropped hoodie and these skinny jeans, but I don't know. I'm still not sure how I feel about them, not gonna lie. I think they make me just look a bit like frumpy, you know, like just a bit chubs. I don't know. Still got the labels in, so you know, no shame. Maybe they'll look better rolled down. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go for breakfast now. I don't know how much I film, maybe just a little time lapse. I'm always really awkward in public, so. Woo! Faye!
What?
What are you gonna have?
AIDS.
You're gonna have AIDS.
When I grow up.
Ugh. Are we going for pancakes with a little green juice and a latte? Faye, what have you got?
Beans.
Faye's got beans. Say hello, Dave.
Beans are good for the heart. The more you eat, the more you eat.
Thank you. Faye's attacking the kittens.
I picked up Sonia and she went.
Oh, she literally hates everyone. So, we're back from Breck. Faye went to the charity shop. What did you get, Faye?
Shut up.
Faye, do a little haul. He loves me.
What a jacket.
Get gassed about it. He got a little jacket, you know? I want to do a making ugly clothes cute challenge. Because I love a charity shop haul moment. This was 50p from a car boot sale, this jumper. Love that. And yeah. And these shoes. Can I get my shoes this high? My disruptors were like 25 quid. And he also got, because Faye's not good at hauls, he's just good at getting cat's bums out. He got these trousers.
And Missy's bum.
Missy's boomo. Cover that. He got these cute little trousers, cinching, with like a big roll, which are cute as. Now I'm going to make a Snickers cake. Oh, is she not just the cutest? Find the cutest kitten in the world. I already have. It's my kitten. Oh. Okay, I'm going to make a cake now. Can you get off? Okay. I'll keep you updated once it's all cooked. Bye, Missy. Woo! Also, Jack's going to be here soon. Yeah, I hope. Oh, Bluminette. He's always interrupting. Right, so I've got my 3 cakes here. You can't really see them all. They got quite stuck to the pan. So, you know, we're going for the rustic look. I'm just going to make a naked cake, I think. Just do a cute little 3-tiered. I've got this icing here. Oh my god, I think it's the nicest icing I've ever made. It's so good. It's like salted caramel. And yeah, so I'm just going to level them off and ice them. I'm going to do a little time lapse before he interrupts me again. Enjoy. OMG lol, there he is. Lol.
Really?
It looks delicious, I really want some. My dad's cooking chili and I'm so hungry. Oh, I should pause, friends. I'm so hungry. I might go and grab a cheeky snack. All I've eaten today was at breakfast, which is quite odd for me because I'm always eating. Delich.
The vlog is over.